We have multiplication of decimal numbers. So first we write these numbers in vertical columns. We have to multiply 0.06 times 7 to keep the columns. And when we multiply decimal numbers, we don't need to align the decimal points. When we don't have decimal point, it means it's always at the end, because 7 doesn't have, so decimal point is at the end. So we can write decimal point. And now how we multiply? Like I said, the same like we multiply whole numbers. So we have to multiply every number on the top by 7. So 7 times 6 is 42, so we have to write 2, and we add 4 to next column. 7 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. And next we have 7 times 0. 7 times 0 is 0, so we can write 0. And now we finish multiplication, and because we have decimal numbers, we have to check how many decimal places we have here. In the first number, we start counting digits after decimal point. So we have 1, 2 digits. So we have 2 decimal places in the first decimal number, and in the second after decimal point we don't have any digits. So it means this is 0. So we have only 2 decimal places. So now we have to go to our result, and we start from the right side and we are going to the left side. We count decimal places. 1, 2. So decimal point will be between 0 and 4. So our solution will be 0.42.